going to do you versus them for the time period of April, end of April, like 10 days of April. Today we are going to do April 21st to 30th of April. We are doing for all the zodiac signs. I have finished up to Sagittarius yesterday. Then today we are going to do Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. So today we will do the three readings for this month till end of the month. What are the energies? What are the spirit guides are guiding you to know? Then we will start with Capricorn. Before starting the reading, I would like to request you and thank you first of all for the views, likes and subscribes to my channel. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm very thankful to you all. If you like the content, if my readings are resonating with you, please like, subscribe and share the videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. So let's go to the reading. Capricorn. What Capricorn people are doing. We will see your energies and your person's energies. You versus them reading friends. We will see. One card already flew away. We'll just take the card. Oh nice. Okay Capricorn. So your cards are very positive cards here. First one is Queen of Wands. Then King of Cups reversed. Then the Sun card, which is a major arcana and very positive card in any reading and especially in love reading. So Queen of Wands shows that you are in a very confident position and you are sitting on the throne and you are a very stable person and you are ready for love right now. You are in a very loving mood and the energy shows that you are about to get any love offer or a date offer. So you are in a very good position sitting on a throne with a wand in your hand, and this is a feminine energy and this shows that you are ready for the love or like commitment or anything like that in a romantic life you will be having soon. Then King of Cups. King of Cups also is a very positive when it is reversed in the love reading. So you are ready for the commitment or love, romantic. Actually these both cards are the meaning is similar and same. Okay, so this King of Cups also when it is reversed, King of Cups reversed also, you will have the same meaning, like you are ready for the love life or ready for any connection. Maybe till now you are having any confusions about that or any confidence issues or something, but you will be having a very good fortunate time for the love, dating, romance and even the spirituality also you are ready. The Sun card. Sun card is the everything, all the happiness all around your life. So you are very happy right now in these 10 days. So you will be very happy and blessings are there upon you. Then this in the love reading, it shows that everything is fulfilled. Whatever you are wishing for, it will be fulfilled. Okay. Then I don't have anything to say for you friends. Your energy is looking very good and abundant and excellent, like for the love life. There is no doubt or no fear. Even this reverse card also reversed for your benefit only. So reversed card also is giving a very good vibes. Then we will look for your partner's energies, your partner's feelings towards you and individual. See, first one is Four of Cups reversed. Wow, the World. Then Eight of Pentacles reversed. Very nice. You both have the major arcanas. One is Sun and one is the World. Very nice, very good, beautiful. You both are having a very good energies. You are in a right position in these 10 days. Okay. So the World card is a major arcana which shows that maybe your partner is away from you in another city, another country, and he might want to travel and come to see you because you are in a distance now. So he wants to travel and come to you, and he wants to meet you. Or you both might be planning this. Your whoever is a partner, maybe he is planning for a trip or a date around the world, or he wants to go for a vacation with you. See, or this person is feeling that, thinking that you are his world, like he's thinking of you like you are my world. Okay, this is a very positive card, friends. Let's see what the other cards, reversed card says. So this reversed card, Six of Cups, it shows that you are now going to address the issues that you are facing right now. Till now you are facing with the issues that are blocking your connection, like your love relationship. Maybe the distance, maybe the work pressure, or anything, any other issue, maybe religion issue or family problems or something. So you will be thinking about the issue, like you will not act directly, you will not take any action, but you are thinking, this person is thinking in his mind how to overcome these struggles and come into union with you. Okay, then this is the card, Eight of Pentacles. So this shows that either of you are not ready to work on these connections. See, there are some blockages or some problems in your love life. So you are not one of you are not ready for the commitment, or one of you are not ready to start this relationship actually in real time or in action. Okay, this person is away from you now, at the distance, you both are not together. So but to come into union, you both have to work towards this connection, right? So maybe one of you are not ready, or both of you are not ready to do the work. Maybe you are busy in your own world, and your person is busy in his own world, but both of you love each other very much. Like this person thinks that you are his world. Okay, that much priority he is giving to you. But I mean, things will work out very happily in future, because Sun card is there already in your favor. So things will work out very soon, near future actually. Okay, let's see the mutual energies or mutual feelings towards each other. Okay, Page of Swords, Judgment, super. The Hermit, very nice. I forgot to tell you, your person might be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then Earth energy. It is strongly showing as Earth energy, which is Virgo. Actually, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is the your energy, like Earth energy. Then you are also Capricorn, and this person also might be a Virgo. Okay, you might be dealing with Virgo. Okay, this is Judgment. Also, you have a major arcana in mutual connection. See, friends, 3 major arcanas in one reading. 3 major arcanas in one reading. That shows that happy life, happy family together, happy life together. Okay, so no need to worry. These 10 days will be very nice, and not only 10 days. This will indicates the near future actually. Okay, then Page of Swords. Page of Swords shows that communication. Okay, this person might be communicating with you very soon, and this also shows that young energy. That this shows a masculine energy, and the man will be young age, like maybe up to 25 years, 20 to 25 years old. Then this person is very charming, very attractive, handsome person. Then he is ready to do anything, like he wants to do anything, and then he will not think. Whatever he wants to do, he will do immediately. That kind of energy I'm feeling, mutual energy. So both of you might be in the same thing, like you both want to do something, but because of this you are not ready to do something, but you are thinking in your mind that we want to work for this connection and make this connection successful. Judgment is the very bright card in this love reading. Judgment meaning whatever struggles you were facing till now, the judgment is coming. That means whatever you want, you will get it. Okay, that is universe is giving the judgment, and whatever struggles you are facing in this connection, it will be done. And the hermit means you are thinking, meditating, retreating. Okay, then this is a slow moving energy, but this is a very positive energy altogether. So your mutual energy also, it is like you will succeed. This connection will survive for a long time because of the sun card, world card, and this judgment card. Your connection is, it is it must happen. This is what universe says to you. This card says. So be happy, friends. All the best. If it resonates with you, please like, share and subscribe, Capricorn people. Thank you. Now we are moving to Aquarius. Hello Aquarius, what are you doing? What are you thinking? We will see what Aquarius is doing in this quarantine time, lockdown time. What this person is doing. Oh my God, Page of Pentacles. Wow, nice. Then Four of Swords reversed. Oh, Eight of Swords upright. Let's see what the cards is. So Aquarius, this Page of Pentacles, it shows that you are waiting actually, taking your heart. I mean, you want to give your love to somebody that you are in relationship, or you are in a crush or something. You are whoever is the person you are thinking about, but you are not ready for any serious commitment as of now. Okay, in this month energy, it shows that you are not ready for any serious commitment. Okay, you are looking for love, you want to give your love, you are taking the pentacles in your hands, and you are waiting or searching for the person. Okay, but you are not ready. Then the second one, Four of Swords reversed. Four of Swords reversed meaning you have to work hard to be together. You have to put a lot of efforts on this connection. If you want this connection to work, you have to put a lot of efforts. Maybe, I don't know what are the obstacles that you are facing, I don't know really, but it might be financial problems, then family problems, or distance problems, or religion problems. Maybe you are Hindu, the other person is Muslim, or you are in a long distance relationship which involves money to come together. So then this card also shows, see, look at this card. This lady is tied up, blindfolded. Then all of swords are there behind her. That meaning you are restricted actually. You are blocked. You are not able to take any action. You are not able to decide anything right now. You are restricted. But you are thinking that something I have to do for this connection. You are actually waiting to do, thinking how this connection can work. You are planning about that, but right now you are not able to take any action. You are restricted in this connection. Okay, let's see what your person feels. Let me see the signs also. Already it came. So first one is the Magician reversed. Then Ace of Wands, nice card. The Hierophant, major arcana. So you have all the three major arcanas, friends. So let us see what your person thinks and feels. So this Ace of Wands is a minor arcana. The Magician and Hierophant are the major arcana. Then the Magician reversed, it shows the infinity symbol. You can see it is reversed actually. So this person is very charming and witty. but at the same time little bit manipulative. Like whatever he wants to do, he will try to manipulate, or he will make you agree for whatever this person thinks of. Maybe it's a girl, lady, or a man, I don't know. So whoever is your person, he is that person is a bit of manipulative energy right now. Then, and also the strongly I can feel that your person is earth sign, either Virgo or Taurus. But some of you are having, very less people are having the air, fire signs. Fire signs means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But maximum, most of viewers are having the, your person must be Taurus or Virgo. Okay, this Ace of Wands is also like, this person wants to come towards you, but right now he's not able to come towards you, but he's very, very passionate, like lustful desires this person is having towards you. He wants to come definitely, like he wants to run and come to you, that kind of energy he's having. But because of many other reasons or problems in his life, he's not able to come to you, or he's not able to commit to you, or he's not able to come in the union, not able to come and live together. Then the Hierophant. Hierophant is a very positive card. It's a major arcana. Then this Hierophant shows that tradition, marriage, then religious beliefs or advice. This person is very wise. Whoever you are looking for, your person is very wise. He can give a good advice when you need it. When you need, or when you ask them, they will really give a good advice. And this person is a very traditional and religious person, and he is looking for a marriage. He is a very stable person. He wants to commit to you, and he wants to offer a marriage to you, but he thinks that this is not the right time. Actually, this card, okay, this card, your energy is, you also want to take some action, but this is the not the right time. But this your person's energy, the Hierophant came, that means this person will definitely offer you marriage or long-term commitment, long-term relationship you will have. Let us see the mutual energies or combined energies together. Okay, Swords energy, Five of Swords. Oh my God, 5. May month might be very significant for your connection, both of you. Maybe after 5 months, something will happen in your life in this connection. Ace of Pentacles reversed. Okay, you both are in a very good energies right now, but the mutual energy shows that there are some problems in this person's life, the career wise, backstabbing, backbiting. This other people are, look at them, they are going away from this person, and this person is standing alone, standing to take the action. So this your connection is like, you both are ready to take face any problems that are coming in your love life, or this connection. You both are very brave, courageous, strong. You want to face, I mean, you can face whatever struggles are coming, and you are willing to take the risk in this connection. But this Five of Wands shows that both of you are having many problems from your family side, so many arguments, disagreements. Then you both are not in a very peaceful position right now. So maybe this is coming in the career, or in your love life, but this something is wrong. Arguments, you can see a lot of people, maybe third party interference in between your love life, or many people are involving, or many are arguing about this connection, or some people are not willing for your connection. They are against your union. Okay, Then this Ace of Pentacles is reversed. Normally Ace of Pentacles upright means lot of love, offering love, sharing love. Then you both are offering love to each other. This is very very good card. But it is reversed. So reversed means this time is not right for you both. Then you are not able to express your feelings properly because of your family problems or the other person's family problems. Only this April month you have to be careful. But maybe in the month of May, things will start clearing. The clouds may clear. See, look at this picture. The clouds are going away. So maybe slowly in the month of May things will be better. I will do the reading in the month of May also. So till then, say stay strong, friends, and don't be disappointed, discouraged. Okay, universe is there to help you. This Hierophant also, this commitment is there. This union is there. Marriage is there. Don't worry. So this at present, at the moment, this is not a right time for you to act upon. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then comment how you are feeling, whether it is resonating with you or not. Thank you, friends. Now we are going to Pisces. Somebody asked in the comment section, I can see. So for them it is. What Pisces, what you are thinking, what you are feeling, what are your energies. Hope everything will be fine in your life. Archangel Michael will bless you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please help us and guide us and give lot of clarity. Okay, your energies. King of Wands, very nice. Nine of Pentacles reversed. Then Seven of Wands. Let us see what to do. What this card says about you, Pisces. Okay, Pisces. King of Wands shows that you are waiting for this person, and it also shows that you have to keep the love on hold. This is not right time, not yet. Okay, because your person is enjoying his own single life and freedom. So actually you are not happy to be away from this person, but still you have to keep the love on hold for this time period. So you are waiting for your person. Then this Nine of Pentacles reversed. That means you want to take some action towards this love connection, but this is saying that time is not right, and just it won't happen just like that. You have to put some effort. You have to talk to the person, like you have to clear it out. Like you have to really talk, and you have to listen to the other person, your person also. You have to clear the conflict. You are having some conflicts, maybe some ego issues or small petty fights. You have to talk it out because it is reversed. Reversed meaning you have to talk it out. You have to really express your feelings to the other person, and you have to really listen to the person. Okay, you have to understand what the other person views also. You have to be patient with that person. Then this is Seven of Wands. That means constantly you are bickering, fighting, jealousy, arguments, conflict. Maybe because maybe you both are away and you feel that your person is cheating on you, or flirting with other people. So you may be jealous of that. So for small things you will start fighting, then you will start arguing, then conflicts, jealousy. You are feeling jealous that this person is with somebody else, or he's neglecting me, he's ignoring me. Why, friends, Pisces? Stop it. You have to trust your love. You have to trust your person, right? Okay. Let's see your person's energies. What your king or queen is doing. How they are feeling without you. And about this connection. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Nice. So both queens are here. Maybe this same sex relationship. No offense, friends. Everything can happen. The Emperor in reverse. Then Four of Cups in reverse. Let's see what your person feels. Okay. So this Queen of Pentacles represents the feminine energy, and this is a very motherly affection, or you are very caring and nurturing. So suppose you are loving a person, your person is a family person, then they want to cook clean, then they want to keep the house very clean, and they want to serve you. They even in the career also, they want to work for the family, they want to work for the people around the family, I mean inside the family. So they are very very motherly, caring, nurturing people. Okay, your person is like that. Then the Emperor reversed, that meaning this connection is in your mind, I mean your person's mind. It is not just happening right now, so he's not able to take any action or something. He's still waiting, and but he loves you a lot, because the Queen of Pentacles came, means he's a lot of love towards you. He feels a lot of attraction towards you in a very caring way. That person cares for you a lot. He thinks, and really thinks about you. Then this is the Four of Cups reversed. That meaning this person should come out of their shell. Like they are self-imposing the blockage in this connection. They have to really come out of their shell, and they have to be brave, courageous to act something in this connection. Then your person is a little hesitant, or he's not taking the action right now. It is in reversed, so he's just thinking, it is happening in his mind. So he need to come out of his shell, self-imposed prison, we'll say. So he should come out of that, and he should approach you. Okay, this is what the card says. Let us see the mutual energy. And I forgot to say, your person may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so either water sign or the earth sign your person might be. Okay, your mutual energy. Eight of Pentacles reversed. Seven of Cups reversed. Four cards came. The Hermit reversed. Why all the cards are reversed? I have shuffled properly. Okay, fine. Let us see what the card says. So definitely it is a Virgo. I can see the Virgo. Your person might be a Virgo. Okay. So let us see what the other says. This one is Three of Pentacles reversed. Then Eight of Pentacles reversed. So Pisces, even all these cards are reversed also. They are shouting at the same point that you will take the action and you will come to union. Okay, this card says that Hermit is a meditation, retreat, rest, thinking, very slow moving energy, Virgo card, but still this is reversed. That meaning you will soon act on this relationship. You will take some action to go ahead in this relationship or connection, whatever you are thinking about. Then you both are ready to take action, and you both want to meet each other. You both want to discuss how to go ahead with this relationship. It is a right time to meet people, and you can solve the things in this connection. Then this card also says that you will take some action. There is no nothing like you are stuck in the position past. Maybe you are stuck in thinking that what will happen and what not. Then one more thing I want to say, your person is definitely Virgo. I can see from the cards your person might be a Virgo, definitely. Then even this Eight of Pentacles also, it says that it is not stuck anymore. So like the romance is coming into your life, rekindling the relationship. You will be rekindling the connection. You are going to thinking about this connection. Romance will be coming, like you are like a second innings, you will say, no? So you will be reuniting together, then romance will be there, you will take some action, you will meet each other. So this is a very, very positive energy. Even the cards are reversed also, it is doing good for you. So these are all very good omens. So very good, friends. If you like this reading, if it is resonating with you, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. That will give notifications whenever I post some new video. Okay, so thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Whoever are the subscribers, my heartful thanks. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. So the one of the viewer requested in the comment that no communication, no contact reading I have to do. So tomorrow I will do the no contact, no communication reading for you all, friends. So stay tuned. Till then, bye.